So I have here a wood burning stove. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box so we can see what all it comes with. And then I'm gonna show you how to assemble it and how it works. So just a couple of things about this really quick. It does come with a few tools because it does have a little bit of assembly that's required. You need to attach the feet here, and then you need to attach the knob on this handle. And you can see the stove, if I open it up, it's got a nice tray inside for keeping the wood up off the bottom so it gets airflow. And then it also has a really nice window so you can see in and see what's going on inside. It also has two different ways that you can assemble this, and I will show you both of those after I get the feet on and the knob on. So I got the feet attached. I also got the knob attached here. So this is going to be ready to use. Keep in mind that it does come with this really nice bag that's going to store everything nice and neat, including all of these chimney pieces. So that's going to be useful for when you're not using it and you need to store it. It's all going to fit in there really nice. So here you can see I have everything packed up in the bag. It's super easy and it stores all of the parts, including all of these chimney pieces, in nice, easy, convenient manner. And the stove itself. So it's kind of nice that you can fit everything in this nice storage bag that comes with it. So there is two different ways that you can assemble this. You can assemble this for an outdoor rocket style, or you can assemble this for inside a tent. I'm going to show you the tent way first, and you're going to want to start with this piece right here. It's just going to slip into that groove like that. Then you're going to want to find the chimney with the flue piece in it. You can see it turns and it's got markings there. You're going to slip that on, and then it's literally just going to continue that process as high as you need to get out of your tent. And then this is going to be the last one, as it's got the holes to release the air and it's capped on the top. So once you get it all the way up and as high as you need, you're going to put that one on to finish it off. So I went ahead and assembled the entire chimney so you can see just how tall it is. It's about 6 feet tall or so, with the chimney extruding as tall as it can go. Keep in mind, you can do it shorter if you need to, just by removing one or more of the chimney pieces. Also keep in mind that after you've got this turned on, these will be hot, so make sure you let it cool down before you try to touch them. So for the rocket stove style, it's going to be super easy to assemble. You're going to take this piece right here. It's got some grooves here. Those are going to be facing up with these rivets down. And that's going to just make sure it doesn't fall through the hole. You're just going to slip it into the same spot, just like that. And then it has these two pieces. You're going to slip them together and then slip them in those grooves, just like that. Now you've got a spot where you can put a pot to boil water or cook any kind of food on a pan or anything like that. So this is the way I'm going to use it. I'm going to show you how to start a fire inside of this next. Okay, so I've got some dry wood here and some small pieces and some larger pieces. I'm going to go ahead and go through the process of starting a fire in this. So I'm going to put these small pieces around first so I can get it going, and then after I get the fire going, I will put in some larger pieces and get it nice and warm. And I'm just doing a little log cabin style. It's going to be the best suited for what I'm doing here. And put in a couple more, and then I will take and light it up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take my lighter and light this so I can start this fire. You can see I got a good fire going, even through the side here. You can see, and then coming up out the top, I've even got flames coming up out the top. So this is now ready to go ahead and put a pot on if you needed to put a pot to boil, or it's just gonna put off some nice warmth. So I can feel the heat all around. It's a nice stove. Now that the fire's been going for a little bit, I can probably go ahead and move things around and add in some more wood. And then close out the door and let those start burning. And you can see I've got a good flame coming out the top. It's got some good heat to it. And I haven't even put in all the wood yet. I've got a few more pieces for once it dies down a little bit more, then I can put in some more. So I put a pot of water on here so we can see how well it works at heating it up. And you can see it's already condensing on the outside and getting nice and warm. And it should only take a few minutes to bring that water to a boil. So it's only been a few minutes and we can see bubbles starting to form in the water, and our fire is doing really good. We got lots burning in there, lots of hot coals. And we can even see fire still coming out the top. Okay, so you can see we got a nice boil going. It did not take very long to get that going, and this stove is working really well. So this wood burning stove is super nice. Super easy to assemble, super easy to use. You can use it as a little cooking stove, or you can use it as a tent heating stove, depending on the method you want to do. The chimney for the tent style is super tall, and it's super portable because it's small and lightweight. Has a bag that everything packs into, and I can feel heat clear out here, so it's going to put off a lot of heat inside of a tent. I would recommend this to anybody that likes to camp and wants to have a little wood stove to take with them. This is a really, really nice one and is really well made.